Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Om, and today we are going to take a review from Pranav. He is a very good student of Civil Center and he is taking online classes from us. So let's go to Pranav.
Good morning, sir. Yes,
Good
sir.
morning. How are you?
I am fine.
So tell our viewers from which college you are.
Sir, I am from KIIT University in Bhubaneswar,
Okay, and currently where are you?
and now I'm in the city of Patna.
Okay, so you are in Patna. So you are at your home, right?
Yes, sir.
I think in this extended lockdown, you are enjoying your home.
Yes, sir. I'm enjoying too much and learning too much online.
So, while enjoying at your home, you are also learning. So, can you tell us what are you learning these days?
Sir, these days I'm learning the SketchUp, and now in few weeks I will complete the estimation and costing and the summer internship by the Civil Center.
What other courses you have completed in Civil Center?
So I have completed Tekla Structural Designer and AutoCAD G+3 modeling in offline classes of Civil Center.
Okay, so in offline classes you have learned AutoCAD, Tekla Structural Designer, right?
Yes, sir.
And in the online classes you are learning SketchUp estimation, and you are also participating in the summer internship program. Okay, so how does it feel when you are studying through the online classes?
Sometimes it's bit not good network, but most of the time it is good. And the tutors here are so interactive and so friendly that we can openly say anything, and we can say any problem in front of them, and we can get a better reply than our even the university teachers.
Okay,
And we get most of the practical knowledge here, even in online. Even in online, yes, sir.
that's a really good compliment. Okay, so my next question to you is, what is the training timing? Like, if you are taking other different classes at the same time, then there must be different slots for them, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
So
what are
the
the timings of your classes?
so the timing of my current classes are the estimation and costing starts from 3:30 p.m. and the summer internship is just after that. That is 4:30 p.m. and it is taken by our main sir, that's Sajal Verma sir, and he's so brilliant in teaching us.
Okay, the way you are saying, it seems that you are really connected with him and you learn a lot from him. Is it so?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, it is.
Okay. So you have said one more thing that there are times when
Yes,
there is
sir.
a network issue and you miss your classes or you find difficulties in all such times. So how do you deal with that?
In that time we get the link of the Civil Center YouTube channel, and where every classes were recorded and uploaded in the channel, and we can get it even downloaded in the offline mode of YouTube, then we can see it later. So it is very feasible to access those classes even later. We can also take the classes, and even with some problems, and then we can directly message the tutors and the teachers of the Civil Center, and we can get to know the answers and solutions of the problems.
Okay, so you are saying that you do get the class recordings, right?
Yes, sir.
And you just said that you can directly message your tutors. So do you get replies from them?
Yes, sir. Very instantly.
Okay, so all
The
the
answers are,
queries that you have get solved, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As you said that you have learned a lot from Civil Center, like you have learned AutoCAD, then you also learned Tekla Structural Designer, you are also learning estimation, then you are also a part of summer internship. So tell me one thing, that have you implemented any of these things in real life?
Yes, sir. I have implemented the AutoCAD first because when the freshers party was going on, then we have to design the stage, and the stage we have the inch and tape, and we measure the stage and all the boards and signs, their dimension, and we get on our AutoCAD and design all those. And with AutoCAD, we design on cardboard and all these things, thermocol, and we implemented it, and that looks so nice that even it is still preserved in the our university. Just 2 years back, when I designed those, it is still preserved as a memory of our freshers. But yes, sir, that was made so good. One more thing, sir. In the class of estimation and costing, I have implemented estimation and costing in my own project of which my father is taking carrying on. That is a project of making the yeah sluice gate, in which I have estimated the amount of concrete and estimated the amount of reinforcement. They estimated the amount of all the coarse aggregates and fine aggregate and the cement, and water was available, so no estimation.
Okay, so you just said that you have learned estimation through the online classes, and you are implementing all this knowledge in the ground. Like you
Yes,
are helping your father in calculating the amount of concrete, right?
yes, sir. I mostly try to implement all those things that I learned, even online, offline, from anywhere.
Yeah,
Yes,
obviously.
even I'm
You
learning
just said that
yes,
you have implemented your AutoCAD knowledge in your college fest, and that is
yes, sir.
really impressive that your model is still preserved in your college.
Yes, sir. Even last year, sir, the Grand Fiesta 2.0, I was the designer of all the design team, and I was the head of design team.
Wow, you are really a man of potential.
Yes, sir. Sometimes, yes, sir. Designing mainly and implementing, yes, sir.
So, as you said, all these trainings are helping you with your career, or you can say that all these trainings are helping you with the projects that you get. So, what do you think this will, how this will benefit you with your career? Like in the long term, you are doing all these things that you have designed a stage in your college fest, then in the Grand Fiesta 2.0, you have also designed
Yes,
something,
sir.
and now you are estimating the amount of concrete in your father's project. So all these
Yes,
things
sir.
you are doing, how do you think all these things will help you with your career?
So I just it's my personal thing, but I think I will take over my father's what is the occupation of his occupation. But I want to learn more and more before joining the field. So sir, I'm taking all these classes, and also sir, something is missing like bar bending schedule and uh, AutoCAD. AutoCAD, no sir, yes, auto level and all these things. I want to use all those things before completing my fourth year. Yes, sir. So that I can help him more evenly and
More efficiently? Yeah,
more efficiently. Yes, sir.
that's a very good thing you have planned for your future. I just wish you all the best for your future. It was very good talking with you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Pranav. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.